Hi there, my name is Amanda Plazik Bruce. I'm the founder of amandaplazik.com and I'm a fellow jaw surgery veteran. I got my surgery in February of 2014, and so as I make this video, I am almost at the 2-year mark, which is crazy to me. I continue to think about the fact that my jaw surgery journey is never fully over, and so a lot of you follow my YouTube videos and my blog for help with your upcoming jaw surgery. And I know from my experience that when I was thinking about getting my jaw surgery done, I found scores and scores of graphic, horribly scary jaw surgery videos that almost talked me out of getting my jaw surgery. So I know how important it is for me to put these videos out here to tell you that you're not alone, that the surgery is more common than you think, and that it's really worth it if you're considering it because it has the potential to change your life. And I know that sounds crazy, but you have no idea how amazing your smile, your bite, and just how good you feel after you get the surgery done. So I wanted to give you a little update 2 years post-op. Here are some of the side effects that I guess you could say are negative, some of my things that are repercussions, if you will, from my surgery. So I did lose a little bit of feeling in my upper right lip right here. It's just like you're on pins and needles, while the rest of it is completely fine. My husband thinks it's really funny to kind of like rub it because it's really tingly. It doesn't bother me most of the time unless I'm really consciously pressing it and thinking about it. So I did have a little bit of nerve issues here. On top of that, I did notice that I have a little bit of jaw pressure, like muscular pressure, probably once every 3 months whenever I bite into something really hard. So for example, if I'm eating a piece of brittle, not that I ever eat brittle, but around the holidays, if I had something tough, I could feel like a muscular pain right here. And it wasn't even a pain, it was just a pressure. So that's the other thing. The other thing that I have been afflicted with ever since I got the surgery, that I think is probably the strongest repercussion, is that I have become significantly more vain. I look at myself in the mirror all the time. I'm constantly going like this in the mirror just to see my beautiful bite, and I take way too many selfies now. I will admit it. I'm a selfie-holic because I love the way that my smile looks. And I know that sounds like really crazy, but whenever you, as a jaw surgery patient, look at your bite for the longest time and you notice that you used to angle your face in a certain way so that people don't notice or you don't notice your jaw and your teeth, and then you look at every picture or almost every picture you take and you love the way that every single one looks, at least as a girl, that's really great. The last thing that I think is probably like the most really side effect that I notice all the time is that I noticed that when my surgery was done, they did change my upper bite as well as my lower bite. And so that did reposition my sinus cavities. So I do experience facial pain in my sinus cavities whenever I experience like 5-degree and below temperatures Fahrenheit. So in the wintertime, when the wind chill is -10, I really have to cover my face with a scarf because I do experience just pain, and I do really think it's because my sinus cavities are exposed more. I do tend to have a runny nose, and that sounds crazy. Why do I keep saying that sounds crazy? But I tend to have just a little bit of a runny nose. Again, this is just kind of a chronic thing that I have, very minor inconvenience, but I found that I tend to sniff a little bit throughout the day, and that has never gone away, and I'm okay with that. Some of the perks that I have found, like I said, I love my smile. I love the way my face looks now. I love the swelling now that the swelling has gone down. And you don't really think that you have that much swelling until like a year out. And you look at pictures from 8 weeks and 6 months and you go, wow, I really did have swelling and I didn't even realize it. So I just love the way that my face looks, and I love the way that my bite is, and I love the way that every smile looks. I originally got it done for my wedding, and now I'm so glad that I did. I will say that the one thing that I did differently that I really hope you continue to adopt should you consider getting this surgery is a solid nutrition plan. I really, really wish they would have talked with me beforehand about this. On a jaw surgery, you do have a no-chew diet. You're not allowed to drink, or you're only allowed to drink liquids for the first 6 weeks, essentially. And so what I did, instead of drinking Boost or Ensure, was drink this Whole Foods superfood shake that I used to be drinking because I'm a health coach. Well, it ended up actually giving me 0 bruising and 0 yellowing of the skin entirely. I had no bruising under my eyes, no yellowing in my neck, no bruising at all. So much that my oral surgeon said, "What have you been doing?" And the truth is, before my surgery, for months before and after, or even weeks before, really, and after my surgery, I drank Shakeology instead of really Booster and Short or any other meal replacement that they wanted me to drink whenever I was post-op. I so wish people talked with you more about this. And so it has been my mission ever since to use my role as a health coach to help you, the jaw surgery patient, find a nutrition plan that works for you. So if you are interested in what I did and you want help and support, please, please, please reach out to me. I would be honored to talk with you. So anyway, my question is, if I had the chance, would I do it again? Or if I had to do it again, would I do it again? And the truth is, yes. It's terrifying when you lead up to it, but I can tell you with 100% confidence that it is worth it. Absolutely. So if you have any questions, if you want any support, please feel free to reach out to me. It is my goal to help you. So thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.